guys, you can film, just hang out right over there. Hey guys, can you stay on one side so I'm not having to look back and forth? You guys can film all day long, I don't care. Just stay on one side for me, please. You can film all day long. Okay, so now there's three of you. Well, you can film all day.
That's like me telling you can breathe. You're allowed to breathe. You're allowed to breathe. You're allowed to go to sleep at night. You're allowed to wife. You're allowed to feed your children. Like, dude, what? I know I'm allowed to do this. What kind? That's weird.
You're a grown adult.
Yes.
You can make conscious decisions.
I don't need to be told I can film all I want. You know what I mean?
I don't need to be told where I can stand.
Or where we can stand. Well, we might be starting another video. I just got bat signal to come over. So let's go see what they want.
Watching them because they be watching us. There's less of them and there's lots of us.
Uncomfortable with us standing on both sides.
Oh.
So I was like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna come back over here.
So here's what happened before I got out of the car. You'll notice this officer's first mistake was engaging with my friends as they approached. Now, there's nothing wrong with being friendly, but when you try to mask control with friendliness, you just look like an immediate a-hole. Don't do that. So I've linked my friends' channels in the description and the pinned comments, and I would highly suggest that you find their channels and subscribe, because what I've been doing recently is filming interactions, but giving them the footage and letting them post it on their channels before I do anything with it. So if you want to see some of my footage or some of the encounters from my perspective before they get posted on my channel, you should subscribe to theirs.
Hey guys, you can film, just hang out right over there. Hey guys, can you stay on one side so I'm not having to look back and forth? You guys can film all day long, I don't care. Just stay on one side for me, please. Close the back of me, you're so scared. You don't have to do this, bro. Okay. Are you not going to stay on one side for me?
I mean, there's two sides. I can stand on two sides.
All back though. Scared of the cat with all your guns and weapons. You got a warrant. You have a warrant for your arrest? So, does that sound familiar to you? Hey, you want to bring him over here? Scaredy cat? Scaredy cat, you want to bring him over here? I'll back up for you, scaredy cat.
He's uncomfortable with us standing on both sides. Sam again.
Who is it?
The ASU cop.
Oh, you know Garcia?
I do.
No?
I do.
You do?
Hey, bro, control him. He gets scared when we stand on two sides. What's up?
Is that Direct D?
No.
What's up, bro? You remember me?
Yeah, how's it going, man?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
It's funny that you're nice to him and we worked together before too.
I mean, we could have started off by being nice.
I don't know what's going on, bro.
I told you could film all day.
You guys want to talk to me? What's up?
Hey, that's like me telling you you can breathe. You're allowed to breathe.
Hey, so what's going
You're
on?
allowed to breathe. Keep breathing. You're allowed to breathe, idiot.
I'm over there and these two are over here, and he's like, can you stand on one side?
I go over there and he starts like dumping back like I'm doing something crazy, following instructions.
How you doing, man?
What, bro? How you doing, man?
I'm alright.
Hey, who is that anyway? Who's this guy?
He's new.
that?
He's
Who's
new.
this guy?
Officer Zorich, and I'm Officer Garcia.
Where'd he come from, man? Where'd he come from?
What's that?
Where'd he come from?
We both came from the same agency.
Which one is that? ASU?
I may know. Did I ever run into you at the ASU protest?
No, I wasn't working there with the protest. I just ran into you guys at one time, man. The last time you filmed. Is that right?
Hey, that's like one of the worst things that you tell your buddies, like, don't tell him it's okay. You can film all you want. That's not something that he can dictate.
So
you can film if I tell you you can do something, then I can also tell you you can't do it. Does that make sense? So you can't tell me I can't film.
Sorry, hold on. I gotta catch up. Repeat that one more time. The
Okay,
entire piece.
so like how he just said,
Okay.
I said you guys were okay to film.
Huh?
But
Like,
you gotta stand on
that
one side.
that doesn't sound like a problem, but if you think about it, that's like me telling you you're allowed to wear underwear. You're
I
allowed
gotcha.
to breathe. You're allowed to go to sleep at night. You're allowed to wife. You're allowed to feed your children. Like, dude, what? I
gotcha.
know I'm allowed to do
Yeah.
this. What kind? That's
You're
weird.
a grown adult.
Yes.
You can make conscious decisions.
I don't need to be told I can film all I want. You know what I
don't need to
mean?
be told where I can stand.
Or where we can
And
stand.
I think, honestly, man, like I said, remember last
It's,
time?
yeah, it's
last
new
time-
for you guys. You guys.
Not even that, bro. I mean, like remember I pulled that lady over there last week? It's just the whole area, dude. Like, we're surrounded by these county islands. So you got cattle, you have coyotes, you got all this random stuff that's around here, right?
That's why we got neighbors with guns.
Right. No, and I get it, dude.
That's why we got
Yeah,
guns.
yeah, everybody's right, right? So that's funny, man. You guys, I was telling Darren last week that you guys ended up out here. So
I was out there. I was in the car.
I saw the.
I don't
Pinal
get
video.
out unless people say something.
So what was up with the Pinal video?
Oh,
saw
them
that the
flipping
next-
us off? Dude, the flashlight. He was sitting in a parking lot, probably doing nothing important. Paperwork. He was doing paperwork.
I didn't process that was another cop car. I thought that you guys was about to scream.
Hey, he was doing paperwork, and I hit him with a flashlight in a parking lot, and he followed us, and then you saw.
Oh yeah, watch out for the car. What do you guys think?
Oh, bro.
What's up, man? How you doing? Mike? Yeah.
Nerd.
Go ahead and turn around and put
How
your
are
hands
you?
on your head. I'm gonna go ahead and pat you down.
Hey.
No, I'm just kidding. Hey, tell your buddy, don't tell me that I can film all I want. Don't tell me where to stand. Don't tell anybody anything unless they're like touching you. You know what I mean? It's common sense. You know, like when we're in public, I don't, like if I'm in McDonald's, I'm not like, hey man, can you back up a little bit? And you're armed. In McDonald's, you ain't armed.
Man, you guys are all prepared with the tripod and everything, man.
Oh, we do this for a living.
It's a camera.
You know when you tell somebody what they can and can't do, somebody like me, I'm inclined to do everything that you tell me not to do, especially if I know it's legal. Like, can you not stand over there? Don't stand over there. It's one thing to be like, hey
I
man,
requested it. I said, can you stand over there?
it's the way you say it though. It's the way you say it. If you're like, hey man, I know you're filming, but I'm uncomfortable with you standing behind me.
I
Could
told
you
that.
please
I said,
just
you
like
guys
that?
can film me all day.
But don't say
No,
that.
I didn't word it like that.
You can film me all day. That's like, you can breathe. You're allowed to pay your bills. You're allowed to take in the
I
morning.
apologize for how you
It's-
heard what I said.
It's not how I
apologize
heard
if it's
it.
my tone.
That's an interpretation that everybody
fair.
has.
That's fair.
Do you understand that? You're allowed to put socks on in the morning.
Okay.
You're allowed to put socks on in the morning all you want. Dude, that sounds dumb as shit. You're allowed to film all you... I know that. Have a good night, man.
You guys can be out and about the rest of the day.
We're good. So you would abuse your authority if I exercise my right? Whatever. I don't personally care what you sentence me to. I'm appealing everything today, so it's going to freeze whatever you sentence me to, and we're just going to kick it to a higher court. Because clearly this one is corrupt.
They turning our communities to hot blocks. Yeah, they got Glocks, handcuffs, and badges. They swearing that they hot shots. They wanna lock us and throw away the stop. Watch, you know direct deal, show you how to cop. Watch, cop, watch. Record them when a cop stops. And ignore the pig chatter when a cop talks. You don't need a top-notch camera, just a cop watch. You gotta know your rights or you lose them. So we cop, watch.